how to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into system settings. First, click on system settings, then go into internet settings. Now you want to find your network which you're connected to. Click on it and then select change settings. Now we want to go down to the DNS section and change it from automatic to manual. And you want to type this for the primary DNS 045.055.142.122 and press OK. Now we're going to click on save, OK, and we have to reconnect to the network. So we're just going to wait for our network to reappear and we're going to connect to this network. If you want to restore your internet connection, you will just change the DNS settings back to automatic. Alright, so now what it is going to show us is this page, and we will go to Google. So go into Google, and right here what you want to do is type Crosshair like this, Crosshair space, and just type this, and you want to type X, so Crosshair X, and then done. Okay, done. Now you will press search, and here you want to get the Crosshair X from the Epic Games store. So it's going to be this one, and just click on it, and right here it's going to ask you to sign into your account. It's going to verify, and it's going to ask you to sign into your account, and you can download Crosshair X. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.